Well, Troy, this is a sweet little number here. This is a Jeep FC, forward control, right?
Forward control, 150.
150.
Yes, sir.
You know, it's funny. I didn't even know these existed until, I don't know, pretty recently. I just totally missed them in my life. And they weren't, I don't think they were back east very much. Did most of them live out here?
They were back east.
Were they?
Filling stations, farmers.
How did I miss that? Because it's such a funky vehicle.
It's odd.
And you've made it very, very much funkier, actually. I mean, I love what you've done with this. This has had so much work on it. You've obviously chopped it.
4 inches.
4 inches.
4 inches, yep.
But have you dropped it too?
Yes, it's been dropped. Took the four-wheel drive out.
Yeah.
Put a Mustang 2 front end under it.
And then they never came with a box like this, right?
No, they were 8 foot long. It had the fenders on the outside.
Yeah.
The gas tank was on the outside. It was kind of an odd bed. Very odd.
It's an odd vehicle, man. So what's the box off of?
It's hand built.
Really?
Yes. It
Wow.
was 1 inch square tubing and just metal skin on the outside.
Gosh, I love it. And I love the paint too. I mean, you got a really beautiful pearl white, and then you got 2 or 3 different oranges in there.
Yes, there's 3 different oranges.
And then
Tangelo and a couple other House of Color.
And then a very nice, green pinstripe detail on it.
Yes.
On flames. What's the bed? Is that just aluminum?
Aluminum.
Man.
Piece of 1/4 inch.
I mean, that was a lot of work in that bed.
There was, yes. The whole thing.
Well, actually, not just
You
the bed,
know.
right? Yes, I do. And this thing does tricks, right?
It does.
Well,
it does.
let's do its trick, because I dig this. I saw it up earlier. Oh yeah, yeah. I mean,
Yeah, bed lifts up,
That's pretty cool. So that when you do, fill it with rip-wrap and stuff like that, you can just tilt it and dump
I can.
it.
Yep.
I bet it does really well with rip-wrap on that aluminum bed too. Oh man, I mean, you've done it under here like to the nines too. This is gorgeous.
No, thanks. It's
You even flamed your piston.
the actuator. Yep.
So what all we got here? I mean, you've really got one short drive shaft.
It's short. Yes, it's aluminum. It's original frame. Just
No
had
kidding.
to box it and hand fabricated the cross members.
Wow. So I mean, and even the differential and stuff. What's that out of?
That's a Ford 9-inch.
Ford 9-inch.
Yep.
Okay.
Narrowed.
Well, I mean, you didn't scrimp anywhere. I mean, you really are. Attention to detail here is amazing. Oh, and I didn't even notice this. That's what, polished stainless or?
Yes. Yep.
You really didn't scrimp. It is totally cool, man.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, and then the interior too. I mean, these things were austere, really. I mean, basic, and you've turned this into a Luxo cruiser.
They were very basic. Yes.
Man, I mean, you've just done everything in here. It's gorgeous.
Well, thanks. It's
Nice.
got the ultimate leather.
Yeah,
interior.
that's good stuff. And yeah, I like the dash.
That was all hand built. Started
kidding.
with a 1/2-inch conduit, electric conduit, to
Really?
make the radiuses and.
And then is it what a polymer or what's the top? I mean, what's it made out of?
It's metal. It's
Is
all
it
metal.
really?
Yep.
Ooh, man, that's a lot of work. And am I looking at a 350?
350, Chevy 350, yes, sir.
Which you brought in from the bottom, I take it.
Yes, yeah.
Well, and you got some, killer pipes coming out the side that had to be custom bent.
Those were custom made in Colorado Springs, yes.
Oh, yeah, I mean, again, it's just everything about this thing, right? And you can pull right up to a building here without.
Well, they used them for plowing snow in the winter,
Oh,
so
okay.
there was good visibility. It's what I hear back in the 50s.
I even like the your models. Those are chopped too,
yes,
right?
yeah, I had to chop those and had to have something to do in the wintertime.
So is that easier to chop or harder to chop?
That was a little bit easier.
I bet this was tricky. Well, you still, even with a 4-inch chop, you still got a pretty big windshield. These must have been really tall.
They were, yep.
So it looks like a big toy. The kids just like totally dig this.
Yes.
They're just
Yep.
all over it, I imagine.
Yes, they do like it.
Man, and you've been to this show before? You dig this show too?
Oh, yes. I live here in Woodland Park.
Oh,
so-
well. So, you're used to this altitude.
Yes.
Well, hey, you've got a great ride here, Troy.
Well, thank you very much, sir.
57 Jeep FC-150s.
Yes.
Yowza. And then with a little treatment.
A little bit.
A little treatment.
Yeah.
Way cool.
A little added on.